Start by logging in to the Autobot Signal website. Navigate to the Download button located at the top right corner next to your profile. Here, you'll find download options for both Windows and macOS. Choose the macOS version for this installation and click Download. Once the download completes, unzip the folder to access the installer file. Look for the file named autosignal.dmg. Double-click or right-click to open it. Next, drag the Autobot file to your Applications folder. Close the installer window and open the Autobot application from your Launchpad. As you attempt to open the app, you may notice it won't launch immediately. This is due to macOS security settings. To enable the app, go to macOS Settings, scroll to Privacy and Security, and find the Security section. Click Open Anyway to grant permission for the Autobot app. After the app opens, you'll see a list of supported brokers. Select your preferred broker and click Connect. You'll then need to log in using your broker credentials, such as your email and password. Once logged in, you'll see a signal key input box appear. This signal key is essential for Autobot to execute trades. Without it, the bot won't operate. Be sure to enter your signal key before moving on. There are 3 ways to obtain a signal key to start automating your trades. 1. Use a free signal key from our website. In the Signal and Indicator menu on our website, you'll find free, pre-made signal keys. Simply copy a key and paste it into your Autobot and you're ready to go. 2. Copy trade from top traders. In your profile, select Top Ranking Trader from the drop-down menu to view a list of top traders. You can follow both live and demo traders. Please note that copying trades from live traders depends on each trader's permissions. They may allow it or not. If you're keen to follow a particular live trader, feel free to join our community and ask if they're open to letting you copy their trades. 3. Use custom indicators from TradingView or MetaTrader. Autobot Trading Signal integrates seamlessly with TradingView and MetaTrader platforms. This allows you to automate trades based on your custom indicators. You can also build a community where other traders can follow your signals. Once your signal key is entered, navigate to the Settings section to adjust your risk management options. Customize these settings to align with your trading style and budget. With everything set up, the Autobot Trading Signal will handle the trading for you, allowing you to earn passively while you focus on the things you love. Thank you for choosing Autobot Trading Signal. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Happy trading!